Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Chocoberry using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.70. Contrast to -16. Highlights to -75. Shadows to 85. Whites to 20. And blacks to -42. Next, go to color. Temperature to 24. Tint to 27. Vibrance to 41. And saturation to -29. Next, go to color mix. For red, saturation to 28. And luminance to 30. For orange, hue to -12. Saturation to -5. And luminance to 34. For yellow, hue to -58. Saturation to -82. And luminance to 40. For green, hue to -74. Saturation to -74. And luminance to -48. For blue, hue to 9. Saturation to -13. And luminance to 29. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to 60. And last, go to Detail. Noise reduction to 20. And color noise reduction to 25. done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.